Hey there everyone, so today we're going to do a little bit of a product unboxing, and what you see in front of you, yes, it's one of those little blue boxes from Tiffany Co, but this is not actually what we're going to be unboxing today. This is the sister or brother of what we are going to be unboxing. I have previously opened this, but I wanted to show everybody. So this is the Tiffany Co 1837 Maker's wide chain bracelet, and I got this for Christmas from my girlfriend, and I liked it so much that I went ahead and purchased the matching necklace. So I'll pull this out and show you what it looks like. So here it is. It's sterling silver and gold, and the only gold bits really are these clasps, or these little nuts to hold the bracelet on. So opens, and then there it is. But it's a really nice chain. I really like the way it looks. So I liked it so much that I went ahead and bought the necklace too. Just give you a little look on the wrist there. I'm not going to clasp it, but just give you an idea how it looks when you're wearing it. So there we go, that's the bracelet. And now we're going to unbox, never before seen by me. So this is the first time I'm seeing it too. There you go. We got our nice little blue box here. Get rid of that. By the way, that bracelet, unless you specify when you order it, it does not come with that bracelet box. It comes in a bag. So we did have to specify that we wanted it to come in the bracelet box. All right. There we go, guys. Tiffany Co, don't disappoint. Oh, it's going to come in a bag. I didn't specify anything about a box, so I kind of figured it was going to come in a bag. Oh wow, and there it is. Go ahead and lay that down there so you can see. So there it is, guys. That's beautiful. So I do got to say, this is a smaller link. This does not match exactly the wide chain. They do have a narrow chain bracelet, and I'm guessing this is the size of the narrow chain. It does still have the gold, but on this one, this isn't the clasp. On this one, let me see if I can find it here. Yeah, there it is. So right here is the clasp on this. And it's got a T there for Tiffany, if you can see that. And then the chain next to it says T&co, and the chain next to that says Makers. And let's see. So you unclasp it like this. So if you can see that, there's a little peg in there it slides into, and then the clasp locks. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Beautiful. Get the old bracelet out too and just throw it up there to compare. We'll do a little zoom in here. So there you go, guys. Beautiful. Tiffany Co. Makers. Bracelet. Give you a little size comparison there of the clasps. So that's the wide chain clasp compared to the necklace. Alright guys, well, short and sweet. I didn't want to do a super long video. I just thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing and let you guys see what the Maker's line looked like in case you're interested in picking it up. There's not a whole lot of videos on YouTube about it. So with that being said, thanks for watching and see you guys later.